up, y'all? It's Mel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing a glueless wig that I got from BGM Hair, so stay tuned. Today's wig is from BGM Hair. The packaging is super cute. Here is the wig. She is long, girly. Look at this. I think it's 26 inches. It's giving 28. And then we got the little bag filled with the goodies. We got a cute little bonnet. I've never received a bonnet from a wig company before, so this is pretty exciting. It's cute and it's pink. And then we got a pink edge brush. And then we got wig caps, of course. A wig melting band. Okay. And they also gave us some HD wig caps and a pair of eyelashes. Let's go ahead and open her up. Here she is. So the wig that I got is a kinky straight. I was gonna get a regular straight wig, but for some reason, all the regular straight wigs I get, all the silky straight wigs I get, don't have enough volume. So I just ended up getting a kinky straight. And it better not disappoint, cause look at this, thick. Look at this volume. Okay. She's giving body. So here she is up close. She's pre-plucked, and I also think she might be pre-bleached. I low-key forgot, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this cap on and put on the wig. Okay, so the cap is on. I put on the regular cap, not the HD one. So we're gonna go ahead and put her on and see what she's giving. And here she is at first. Obviously, we have to add some makeup and fix her up some more. Touch up the lace. Okay, first of all, the hair is extremely soft. Like, it's super soft. There's no tangles in it. Just a tiny bit of shedding, but nothing too crazy. But here she is. I think I got a 6x9. I'm not sure. You can see the cap. Okay, just listen. We're gonna fix it. We are going to fix it. Okay, y'all, I ended up taking the wig cap off because, I don't know, I don't really like wearing wig caps, but it looks a lot better without it anyways. But I'm going to be right back. I'm going to add some makeup to my lace and put it back on. All right, y'all, so I am back. I just got done putting on the makeup, and look at this. What lace? You can't see it. It's not even there. Okay, but listen, one thing I will say, though, is the wig came with, like, these little lines. Look at these lines right here. Like, I don't know. Like, there's like little ripples in the lace. Y'all can see it. Like that little bump right there. That's the only thing I don't like about this wig. But I feel like it's not even too noticeable for them. Like, I feel like in order for someone to notice that, they'd have to be like in my face. And I hope nobody's in my face. Wig is definitely giving right now. Yeah, okay. So now, last thing we're gonna do to this wig is, it is a kinky straight wig. So we are going to straighten it out. I really don't want to add edges to this wig because it's giving like a silk press type, you know, it's giving silk press. And I feel like edges would kind of throw it off a little bit. But I mean, edges are cute though, like, don't get me wrong. I'm a dramatic edge girly, like, well, I just started being a dramatic edge girly. But dramatic edges are cute. Like, not the ones that be touching your eyebrows, but like, you know. But we got her flat. This is a human, not only is it human hair, obviously, but it's kinky straight. And I would love to use heat protectant on it, but I don't have any right now. So we're just gonna have to make it shake for real with this. So I will start straightening my hair. Yeah, notice how I said my hair? Yeah. because you can't tell me it's not mine. I can't even see for real. But hey, we just gonna go with it. But look at that length on her. Like, look. Okay, you see? She said she's 26 inches. It's giving what? Okay. I ain't never had no 30-inch wig, but it's giving 30 inches. Maybe I could be wrong though. I don't know. I never had one. I'm gonna speed up the time while I straighten his hair, so enjoy.
Young gun don't want that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right out the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack on the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I just finished straightening this side. And I still gotta straighten this side. I'm gonna straighten this side off camera and I'm gonna come back. But so far, she's cute. Like, I'm still having to remember that it's kinky straight, so it's not gonna get silky straight, you know, because it's kinky straight. This is as straight as we're gonna get. Or maybe my flat iron just sucks. I low-key want to add some like layers in it, like, you know, some like layers. But I don't know, because that's low-key, that's more work for me to do. But I might add some layers for real. Because she's cute. She would definitely eat more with some layers. But I will be back once I finish this side. Alright, y'all. So I am back. Both sides are straight. Here's what they're looking like. Okay, you see that? But yeah, I really like it. I love this unit so much. It's really nice. The lace is really good quality. It's plucked nice. Let me get closer for y'all. Look, right. So y'all can still see the little ruffles, but honestly, I don't know. Like, it's like in person, it's really not that bad, but it looks worse on camera. But here's what the lace is looking like. My head's starting to hurt, but it's okay. Y'all can see, I gotta push it up some more, but yeah, here's what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of wax on the top of my hair so that way I could melt it, not melt it, but I could you know, flatten it down. So I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'm gonna do edges on this wig, honestly. I really love the natural look of it, so I'm gonna leave it alone. This is the wax stick that I'm using. It's just a random wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply. Nothing special about it, just works like any other wax stick, really.
Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P-Litty. Keep I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties.
I don't know about y'all, but I love a ready-to-go wig. Like, all I have to do really is put a little bit of makeup on it, hot comb it, but that's really it. I don't got to plug, I don't got to bleach, I don't got to do nothing. It's just ready to wear for real. Ready to wear with a little 1-2, with a little extra steps. I really gravitated towards glueless wigs more, honestly, because gluing down the wig is just not it for me anymore. Like, I love wigs, they're my signature go-to style, but I don't want to have to glue it down and then for it to be lifting a couple days later. Now, I have a great glue that I use to glue my wigs down, but it's just the maintenance of a glue down wig is too much and I can't do it no more. That's why I've switched sides. So yeah, here she is. Okay, BGM girl. Yeah, this wig definitely eats. I think I am gonna add some layers into it because I feel like it gives blend right now. Like, I'm here for the length, but it needs body. Like, it's just, you know,
This is up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with a willie. Let's fuck on the beam. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the
Y'all, I'm trying to do the layers, but it's not working out for me. I don't know if I cut that a little too short, but girl, it don't even matter. You can't even see it for real anyways. But she's still cute though. She is still cute. I'm gonna fry this hair trying to get these layers to curl. When I do curl my hair, because I do want to curl it and see what that's giving, then the layers will definitely eat. Like, please, look at these curls. It's not even curls no more. That's crazy, because I really did them, like, before I left. And then now it's just like... Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side so that way it matches. So. Okay, now I have a mess to clean up, but I look cute, so it's okay. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I rate this wig a good... I don't want to give it a 10, but I'll say 9.5. Yeah, or 9.5 definitely. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my video and staying tuned in this long. It really means a lot to me, and more content will be on the way, okay? I'm gonna get on my grind this summer. I'm gonna really do this YouTube stuff. I'm gonna take it serious for real. So I just need y'all to trust in me and subscribe and all that good stuff. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.